Good morning, children. How are you? We are learning about sense organs. Yesterday, we have learned about eye and ear. Yes, children. First of all, recall yesterday topic. These are the sense organs we know: tongue, eye, ear, nose, skin. First of all, what are sense organs? Means organs which are helping to know around us what is happening. They are called sense organs. So these five are the sense organs: tongue, eye, ear, nose, skin. Yesterday we learnt about eye and ear. Yes, children. Yes, yesterday we have done some activities also, right, children, about eye and ear. This is ear, right? Now today, remaining sense organs. See here, which organ do you use to get the fragrance of rose? Yes, smell of the rose, smell of the jasmine, or different smell, or different flower smell, fruit smell, like that. How do you know? Which organ do you use to get the fragrance of different flowers or any? How do you know? So we use to smell nose. That is what? Nose. It is the nose. Our nose helps us to smell. So nose help us to smell. With the nose, we can smell different kinds of smell, good or bad. Okay, children. See, this is what? Nose. And here, how do you know that cake is sweet, curd is sour, or a medicine is bitter? Have you taken medicines, ma? Yes, everybody. When we suffering from fever or some many diseases, we take medicines. Most of the medicines are bitter, right? Yes. What about cake? Do you like cake? Yes, everybody likes cake, but don't eat. Understand, children? Yes. Cake come under junk food. Don't eat. Okay. Coming to our topic. So, cake is sweet, very tasty. How do you know? Curd is sour, some little bit sour. How do you know? Yes, our tongue. Our tongue tells us cake is sweet, curd is sour, medicine is bitter, right? Yeah. Our tongue helps us to know the taste of different things. It also gives us the sense of texture: rough, smooth, creamy, crunchy, and temperature, hot or cold. Yes. When we drink milk, sometimes we say, Mummy, this milk is very hot, or Mummy, this milk is very cold, like that. How? Our tongues tells us. And by touching the things with our tongue, we can say rough, smooth also, creamy, crunchy, etc. Understand, children? As mainly the purpose of tongue is to taste. Understand, children? Yes. With the help of tongue, we can taste. Yeah, this is tongue. Okay, na? Wash your tongue daily. Okay, na? Keep clean. Otherwise, bad smell will come from our mouth. Okay, na? Yeah, good children. Next, which is the largest organ of our body? Can you tell, ma? Leg or hand or any? No, it is the skin. It is the skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. Our body is covered by the skin. It gives us the sense of touch. We come to know many things just by touching them. Yeah. By touching them, just close your eyes, touch different things. You can say, what is that? Understand, children? We do an activity. Oh, so this is what? Skin present in the foot and your hand palm, right? Yeah. We do an activity here. See. Spread some leaves on a small area of the floor. Next to this, place a dry mat, then a wet mat, and then some sand. Now close your eyes and start walking on the floor. Are you able to tell where the floor is covered by the leaves, where the dry mat is, where the wet mat is, or where the sand is? How do you know? Yes, on the floor, a small area, spread some leaves. Of course, dried leaves or normal leaves. Spread some leaves. Next to this, place some dry mat. Next to this, wet mat. After this, sand. Here we have 4 areas having 4 different things. In one area, leaves. The next area, dry mat, and then wet mat, and the finally sand. Now what you have to do is close your eyes. Close your eyes and walk on these areas one after one. Can you say in which area having which thing? Means leaves or dry mat or wet mat or sand? Yes, we can say. Definitely we can say. Yes, presently now I am on leaves, or I am on sand, or I am on dry mat or wet mat. We can say. How? So, our skin tells us. Our skin tells us by touching that. Understand, children? Yes. And one more activity, you see, try to do the following things only by touching with your eyes closed. See, one more activity. Now close your eyes. Now close your eyes. I will give you some objects. Touch them and you say what object is. Understand, children? Yes, see. Tell the shape of an object. Yes. If I give you cell phone, you can touch and observe and tell which shape. Understand? Which shape of that cell phone. Next, count and tell the number of things given to you. For example, if I give you 10 marbles or some marbles, you can touch and you can count, and finally you can tell how many marbles are there, how many objects are there. How? By touching. Understand? One by one, by counting. Right? Yes, we can say. Tell if an object is shaking or moving. Yes, touch an object, vibrating cell phone or vibrating something object. We can say, yeah, it is vibrating, it is moving, or it is shaking. We can say. How? By touching. Skin tells us. Next, tell if a thing is quite hot, slightly hot, cold, or very cold. Yes. By touching with our hand, we can say particular object is cold or slightly cold or very hot, very cold, like that. Yes. So take a cool drink bottle, touch that bottle with your hand. Then we can say, oh, it is very cold. Or touch a coffee cup. Or we can say, then, oh, very hot, like that. So who tells here? Skin tells us. Object is quite hot, slightly hot, cold or very cold. Tell if a thing is very hard, soft or very soft. See, take this duster, press this. How do you feel? It is very soft. And take a stone, press. How do you feel? You feel very hard. Okay, na? Yes. Yeah, we can say all these by touching. Understand, children? Okay, ma. Tomorrow we will continue the lesson. Okay? Thank you.